Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send TON from Bitget to Tonkeeper wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to open up the Bitget application, head to the assets at the bottom right. At the overview, click on the withdraw option, and then you're asked to select your TON. So simply use the search icon to search for the TON. Once you found it, click on on-chain withdrawal, and then you're met with the option to enter withdrawal address, tag or memo, and the withdrawal amount. The withdrawal amount is set at 0.8 TON before you can withdraw, and the network fee in order to withdraw is 0.02. All right, so with this information, simply minimize and open up your Tonkeeper application. Once it's opened, click on the receive icon, copy your address, minimize and open up Bitget, paste the address you had copied. Remember, there's no tag or memo. Enter the minimum withdrawal amount, which is 0.8, and then simply click on withdraw. By doing this, you've successfully withdrawn your tokens from Bitget over to the Tonkeeper, which you could confirm its arrival by a simple reload. So reload, click on the Toncoin, and you'd find that you've received your TON tokens. So guys, that's how it works. Comment down below if you have a question, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.